Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unfollow everyone on Facebook. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your Facebook application, make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, what you're going to do is simply tap on this menu bar right here. And then here, scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then from here, tap on settings. Then we'll get to the settings of your Facebook. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see preference. Under it, you can see content preference. Tap on it. And then here, tap on unfollow. After doing that, here you can see these are all of the people and pages that you have currently followed. In order to unfollow it, all you have to do is tap on this unfollow option just like this. So unfortunately, there is no such option of unfollowing everyone altogether. So you'll have to manually simply tap on unfollow and like that unfollow everyone. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.